मुझे नहीं पता कांग्रेस पार्टी ने क्या कहा, लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी बहुत अच्छी पार्टी है, समझदार पार्टी है। मैं समझता हूँ हर बात को समझते होंगे, लेकिन बहुजन समाज पार्टी किसी के डर में फैसला नहीं लेती, इतना तो मैं जानता हूँ। हम तो कहते हैं कि गठबंधन हो, मध्य प्रदेश में समाजवादी पार्टी है, छत्तीसगढ़ में है, हम ये कहते हैं कि हमारी ताकत उतनी नहीं है, लेकिन अगर दलों को साथ ले लें, हमारे साथ मान लो गठबंधन गणतंत्र पार्टी आ गई, तो अब ये तो नहीं कोई कहेगा कि हमने तो उस पार्टी का इसलिए समझौता कर लिया कि हमें बीजेपी से डर है। आखिरकार समाजवादी पार्टी राष्ट्रीय पार्टी कैसे बनेगी? जब तक हम दूसरे प्रदेशों में अपनी पार्टी को नहीं बनाएंगे तो राष्ट्रीय पार्टी कैसे बनेगी? हमारी इच्छा है कि राष्ट्रीय पार्टी बने। तो हम अगर कल हम भी चुनाव लड़ जाएंगे, हम तो आज भी कहते हैं कांग्रेस पार्टी को बड़ा दिल करना चाहिए और तमाम दल जो एक सोच के हैं उनको अपने साथ लेकर के लड़ना चाहिए। अगर देरी हो जाएगी तो हो सकता है और दल भी अपने प्रत्याशी घोषित कर दें, बाद में ये आरोप लगे कि वो तो बीजेपी से मिले हुए। इसे जिम्मेदारी कांग्रेस की है सभी दलों को साथ लेने की।
Reaction, Aishwarya, Akhilesh is actually telling the Congress party in a very polite tone what we heard from Behenji. The messages say that you need to realize today your worth. You need to realize that you are no longer someone who gets votes. So please accord equal importance to everyone. Aishwarya.
Absolutely, Deepti. Samajwadi Party leader and the former Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav, seems to be urging to the Congress party, do something. Talk to the other regional parties. Don't be in your own closed door rooms. Don't be in your own ego. Talk to these leaders. If there is a problem with the BSP, talk to her. Don't let her go, because if she goes, the other parties will follow. And that's exactly what we've been saying, because the tone and tenor of the BSP Supremo Mayawati today, Deepti, was very clear. And that must have been only after she must have spoken to at least few other regional parties. And that's why Akhilesh Yadav coming out openly and urging the Congress party, and that too the Congress National President Rahul Gandhi should give an ear to at least Akhilesh Yadav and talk to BSP if he wants to have any role come 2019, because if all of these regional parties come together, because Amit Jogi came on Republic and said that that's exactly what we are looking for. We are looking for a non-Congress, non-BJP alliance, and that could very well be a reality. So for Congress to be even relevant come 2019, they have to get parties such as that of the BSP and understand their ego. They need to understand what BSP needs. They need to understand what SP needs, TMC needs, and so on and so forth. So at this point of time, Akhilesh Yadav is giving one last hope, one last chance to Congress, to Rahul Gandhi, to understand that he needs to act as the leader, as the national president of a party which was once a powerful party, but now you need to give consideration to the regional parties. You cannot be living in your own world, Deepti.